This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking Essentials. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and that location services are enabled. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then Find My. Turn on Find My iPhone and enable Share My Location so devices and friends can see you. This step lets the system register your device and create the secure location token. It's critical for tracking, playing sounds, and using lost mode if needed. Now you're ready to move into device discovery and sharing. Once in the Find My app, choose devices to view your iPhone or other items, or choose people to share with contacts. Tap a device to see its last known location, play a sound, get directions, or enable lost mode. To share, pick people, tap Share My Location, choose a contact and duration. Make sure the recipient has an Apple ID. Sharing creates a trusted link so they see updates. If a device is offline, the app shows the last location and will update when it reconnects. To finish, set lost mode for a missing iPhone, erase it remotely if necessary, or enable Notify when found so you get an alert. If locations aren't updating, make sure the iPhone has cellular or Wi-Fi, iCloud is signed in, and background app refresh is allowed for Find My. Then restart the device. If problems persist, update iOS and check the other person's permissions. These steps wrap up the process and help recover your device quickly while protecting your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.